What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to talk about the Wolf Capital. Okay, so finally, seems like this project is starting to collapse. Okay, because finally, this Ponzi is starting to showing its true colors. Okay, blue and black. Right. So why I'm saying this because there is a big gap between total deposits and total claims. Okay, and today they have announced and rushed AMA saying that the payments will be paused till Monday. Okay, so no until Monday. So today it's the Wednesday. Okay, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, there will be no payments because as you can see right here, the contract balance is 22 bucks. They're not gonna inject more funds into the smart contract because they say they're gonna change from fixed APR. Okay, currently it's from 0.8 to 1.1 to variable APR, meaning the APR will be according to the weekly trades. Okay, so if they make, let's say, 10%, okay, you will earn 10% from your stake from on that week. Okay, if they make 0.5%, you're only going to make 0.5% on that week. Or if they go negative, I don't know. So you probably will lose money if they go negative. I don't know. But everything was rushed. Okay. And I believe this is just the beginning of the collapse of this project. Okay. Beginning of the end. Okay. Because let's go over to this is the June, half capital June. Okay, and let's go over to injection. So according to the AMA, they say we have injected 100K on the 3rd of July. Okay, and there will be no more injections this week. Okay, they also made an injection 50K on the 2nd and 30K on the 27th, 50K on the 26th, 21K on 50K on the 21st, and so on. Okay, I was like, this doesn't make sense. Okay, so if they have to inject the funds for people to claim and stake, why shouldn't you? Okay, why shouldn't you inject? Because in the end, that's people's money, right? So they are essentially forcing everybody to stay in the platform, okay, until Monday. Okay, a lot of people been complaining about, hey, I'm supposed to claim today, tomorrow, the day after, and because the funds, the TVL is 22 bucks, I'm not going to be able to claim or unstake. Okay, because if people want to unstake, they should inject the funds in a smart contract, like put 500,000 in a smart contract and say, okay, you'll have till Sunday to claim or and stake, and then from Monday, okay, we are going to go variable, okay. But no, everything was rushed, and it's not good. It's not good for business. So this will cause a lot of people to unstake soon as they have the opportunity, okay. Plus, they are going to implement taxing tax on the unstakes, okay. So uh, where's the FAQs? Okay, so prior to today, okay, today's AMA, where is the FAQs? Okay, there was only 10% tax on the deposit fee. Okay, so who takes this fee? The team. The team takes the fees. Okay, 10% tax. And if you come over here, we can see that they already took, where is it? Where is it? It was, I think it was nearly uh, total unlocks. They took almost a mil, right? So because the total deposit is 9.2 mil, right? So 10% of this is 920K, okay? Nearly $1 million, right? And now they are saying, because they're going to change to variable, whoever wants to unstake will have to pay, I think it was 20% tax on your stake. I was like, damn, I already paid 10% on deposit. Now I have to pay 20% on withdrawals. And they say this unstake fee will stay active, okay, until they close the gap, the Ponzi gap, they say. Okay, the Ponzi gap, it's between the total, um, it's right here, is between the total stakes and the actual amount that they have. Okay, so they say they want to close that gap. Okay, I'm like, that gap. I actually posted this on the TG group. A guy say when this gap will be closed. They say, oh, it's gonna take a few months. And then I said on the TG group, man, let's be real. That gap will never be closed. Okay, because that's a 2 million gap. Okay, or almost 2 million gap, and that will take a really long time to close that gap. And what I said was that gap will never be closed. And from here on now, it is just going to be downhill. Okay. And yes, I immediately got banned for that, but whatever. Okay. And yeah, the gap will never be closed, will not be closed. I'm telling you right now. And yeah, they also haven't showed any trades, any proof of funds, or anything. Okay, no trading logs or anything. I can go to my Bybit account right now and showing all the past trades. Okay, easy, right? So they never done it for some reason. Another thing is these NFTs, they are worthless because copy trading is not working, and now with this thing changed, okay, the fixed APR to variable APR changed, is just worthless, right? So my take from this is just the beginning of the collapse of Wolf Capital. Unfortunately, I could not unstake my stake because I still have a few days to go. Let me just log in my. I still have. Let's have a look. Still have a few days to go. Okay, probably 5, 6 days. I'm not really sure, but yeah. As soon as I have the chance to unstake, I mean, I will unstake, and that's gonna be me out of the game. Okay, so I'll have 5 days. Well, let's call it 6 days. I'll have 6 days to go. Okay, so today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So Tuesday, I'll be able to unstake this, and yes, I will be happy to unstake this and move on from Wolf Capital. But yeah, guys, they will give you updates about what's going to happen next week. So from Monday, the daily APR will go from fixed to variable. Okay, until then, you cannot unstake or claim because there is only 22 bucks in the TVL. Okay, we didn't sign for this. I didn't sign for this, and now we all have to pay the price. They were saying, "Oh, we have to rip the band-aid." Come on, just give us some notice. Okay, give some notice, and whoever wants to claim and stake, they will do so, and whoever wants to stay in the project will do so as well. Okay, not just coming overnight and say, "Hey, people are just claiming too much. It's time to apply some drastic measures." Okay, so for me, this is just a bad move for the project, and this is just the beginning of the collapse. Okay, project started to um, wobble a little bit when the TVL was out of funds and Trav wasn't around to pump the smart contract. Okay, so that caused panic, and from that, okay, now people just gonna unstake and unstake and unstake, and yeah, eventually the project will be all over. But yeah, that's just my take on this, guys. Just wanted to give you an update about the Wolf Capital, what's happening, okay, guys, and that's my take on the Wolf Capital. That being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for more updates. Peace.